from the top somehow, or what?
There's blind rivets.
Nothing. He ran into the woods. It was so funny. Later on.
No.
Good?
Or no. It's not the best situation. $10 worth of rivets here we're using.